So today we are going to unbox this Midland first two-way radios. It can be used. It's a license-free radio and it can reach up to 30-mile range. Has 22 channel, weather scan alert, high low power setting, 121 privacy codes. There. So we're gonna try this one. And it has extreme range up to 30 miles and 121 private codes, weather alert, silent operation. Comes with a battery. High low power settings. Works with other FRS and GMRS two-way radios. Maximum range can only be achieved over water or open rural areas under optimum condition. This is Midland, USA. What I like about this radio, it comes with two radios in one adapter. See? It's already two in one adapter. 2 in 1. See? It's very snappy. Other than snappy, it's light and handy. Looks like a toy. So cute. Good thing about this radio, in case you don't have the power, you can use battery. It's actually an AA battery. You can use AA battery here in case you were not able to charge this battery. I believe this is a chargeable battery. What Midland provide. Insert this side out. Looks like a chargeable battery. And in case you don't have power, you can use AA battery for emergency if you have extra. And it comes with this one. This. Like you can put it here, like a clip. Like that. It's very snappy. You just have to attach it like that, and there you go. You don't need to screw or what. Just put it, insert it inside like this one. Like this. There, like that. Once you hear the snap, you're okay. You just put this one. See, now it's ready. So cute, right?